press record. Okay. So Tuesday. I hope everybody's okay. Hopefully you guys had some good trades or have been observing how the charts have been behaving lately. I will cover some important stuff right now. I need to address it. So let's begin our lesson. Actually, more of our topic right here. So this is a message from one of the students. Let me not make this full screen because. Okay, so this is a message from the students. So pretty much summarizing it, the importance. I'll explain what's my point with this. Okay, so bro, every trader has to go through the lessons, right? For example, I was in GU and GJ and closed with losses. GU did a long wick into the water. I jumped in and then it rose 30 pips and hit my stop loss because I thought it would continue to rise. I was a little bit depressed because I thought it was a safe setup, and then it dropped 200 pips and hell, we didn't jump in. So with this, guys, you see how the market manipulates and digs into your emotions and stops you out of a good trade. Like this is not Photoshop. This is actually a student. You know, this guy could have banked. You see, 200 pips to hell. It dropped to hell. You know, same thing with GJ. I jumped. Okay, so he got in before the stop hunt high dropped, right? So you see what he's saying here. So he's pretty much saying that it was a downtrend, right? And then he got in somewhere around here, and the water was here. He got in here. He got stopped out right there. And as soon as he got stopped out, the bottom fell out, right? Oh, yeah, definitely, Paolo. Whoever this guy is, don't make the same mistake. Don't make the same mistake. All right. So he got stopped out of a beautiful trade. He could have bagged 200 plus pips, right? Same thing with GU. I'll cover that pair right now. So this is what I wanted to show you. Like, do not let your emotions get in the way, okay? Don't let them stop you out of a good trade. Remember, confidence is key. It is always key in these setups, in these trades, in this business, all right? Okay, so this is one. Now, let's go to this one. This one's a little, let me cut some of this off. Oops. Okay, so here. So right here, okay, so ignore that. Okay, so hello. I've been watching your videos with the EMAs. Like your GU sell today. I wish I saw that coming. All your confirmations hope for next time. Oh, okay. So, okay, blah. Okay, so here, as you can see, this guy is actually analyzing and observing whenever I place a trade. Example, right? That GU, I placed the 5 lots today. You saw the entry. This guy actually, looked at it and saw, oh, okay. So he entered because of this and that. So, you know what, man, watching your videos, it's all helping me out. I wish I could have seen the same thing, saying that like, man, I saw it, but, so he's still learning, but he's already watching whenever I enter. So whenever I post an entry, sometimes I want you to understand that it's for a reason. Like, I'm not there to boast or show off my entry. I'm there so you can see. So, man, you can be like, damn, Cash, dang, I missed that one. I had it or this and that, That's why I do that, all right? Let's see, someone came in the party. Deadpool's in here. Let's see, who else came in? Mundo, hey, Mundo, what's up? And Priscilla is in here. All right, cool. And MW, okay, I know who you are. So, yeah, this guy is observing my trades, all right? That's good. That's what I want you to learn, okay? All right. So enough of this. Now let's look at some of the chart setups that I had posted in the teacher's channel. If you missed them, all right. So here's the first one. So this is number one. So someone else came in. I don't know who you are. Welcome. Anyways, I posted this in the channel like at 9 in the morning. Okay, so here's the thing, right? GU, okay, right? So same thing, right? Same thing. Okay, so Asians channel, right? Chop, 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 right? Okay, now this is New York. This is the beginning of the New York, right? I've said in the past, right? False move beginning session. They do 1, 2, 3 pushes, right? 1, 2, 3 into the Asian low. Now, keep in mind, you have this indicator right here. I've told you what this is, but this is the Asian low. All right, the Asian low. They just vector up past the Asian low, pin to the water, shadow box, false move, beginning session. TDI was confirming blood in the water, shark fin. My entry was right here. As you can see, I entered on this account with 2 lots, 548. So as you can see, you see how this lined up. So this is technically a straightaway 50-50, right? Pins to the Asian low, like I said right here, 50 water bounce, shadow box plus TDI confirmation, piece of cake. And this trade pay off, right, Paulo? This trade pay off really good. It dropped like another 100 pips. All right, these are the little things I want you to see, to notice. Pay attention to detail. All right, someone's mic is a little. Let's see. Give me a sec, guys. Oh, got it. Okay, so these are the little things I need you to pay attention to. All right, all of these indicators are not there just to sit pretty. They're there to help you, to guide you, to give you an idea. All right, that's what I want. That's what these indicators are for. All right. This is GU. All right. If this trade that you possibly missed, for looking at USD Chef, which I'm gonna cover right now. Let's see. All right, so Euro AUD. Seeing this from a mile away, big fat W staring at your face. The HOD never broke. You see this last pin, it didn't even come near this area. This is also giving you a confirmation. All right, blown out box. All right, blown out box 117. You start thinking like a market maker. So blown out box, right? I've said that usually they must correct, right? So big fat M staring at your face. All right, so cool. You missed it. Cool. Now here's the thing. Now price held stopped right here, right? You know why? Because people buy this trash right here, right? They buy it, and now they shift to the zone 1, right? Going to level 2, right? Knowing your intradays, right? This is 2, and then let me get this off. And then right before they shifted the zone one more time for New York, you notice this? I labeled 50 bounce, right? The TDI came in, blood in the water. You're in right there, buddy, right there. And get your, I don't know how many pips was this, like 25. Easy 25, you get out. Easy 25. Even if you were late, if you missed all this, you're like, oh, dang, I missed all this. But guess what? I see the pin to the water, and if you want to wait for extra confirmation, I know some of you guys like to wait. That's fine. I understand that. You would get in at this second right here, and then bam, take it right there. Take it to right here. Get out. Painless trade if you missed all of this. All right. So this is setup number 2. All right. Let's see. This is number 3. This one, USD Japan. Whoa, this one was a bummer actually. This is why I stayed away, right? I told you guys I was thinking, okay, so me thinking like a market maker, right? I told you guys that hold on, give me a sec, guys. Give me 1 second. All right, thinking like a market maker, I was thinking this, right? W, VVM, right? Okay, now I was thinking correction and then keep rising. Why? Because I believe that they were not planning to come to this area again. Now, here's the thing that they did. They did the multi-session, right? They did a multi-session. However, on this one, on this leg, they're chopping around. If you noticed, right? Does anybody know why they were chopping around like that?
To get more contracts.
Exactly, right? Okay, accumulation, right? Level 3 accumulation. And not only that, but what else? Working the crosses, right? If you notice, Euro Japan dropped first, right? Anybody notice Euro Japan was dropping first? You were like, what the hell? Yeah, exactly, Tristan. They were working the crosses. So they held the level on UJ. And I've told you guys before, right? That if you're in this trade, they don't give a damn, right? They're there for the money, and they're going to hold the freaking level until they feel like it. So while UJ was being held, Euro Japan was being worked. I'll show you Euro Japan right now. Euro Japan was being worked, dropping to hell, right? Dropping, and UJ was being worked. Okay. Now, okay, so as I was saying, so where's the picture? Okay, let me get this off. Yes, Euro Japan was beautiful. I think you caught that, Tristan, man. I think you held for like the whole 2 levels, right? Good stuff, bro. Okay, so here, okay, so I put this big fat M. All right, so this one was, like I said, was more tricky. I honestly believe it would keep rising. I already explained that. But because it was indecisive, I stayed out. Right? Okay, I was indecisive myself. I was thinking, okay, so they're accumulating, but what are their true intentions? You know, what are they trying to do? You know, so I just stayed out. You know, that's the best thing. Whenever you're in doubt, I would stay out and look for another pair. As you can see, there was 4 more pairs to work with. All right, someone else came in. Let's see. You know, make sure we don't got no. Oh, Sile. Oh man, you're missing out, buddy. But welcome. I'm glad you're in here. I got a full house today, by the way. Hey, what's up? What's up? All right. So okay, so they were working the crosses, right? Definitely level 3 working the crosses. Now, you know, a lot of this was really sloppy. Did anybody take this trade? Actually, did anybody go short on UJ last night or this morning?
I did this morning.
Oh, you did? Okay. And did it pay out? It paid out, huh? But it was very sloppy, right?
It was very sloppy. Yeah, I caught like $1, maybe $2. I'm using the small slot stuff.
Okay. I feel you, Jillian. Yeah, see, it was very sloppy, you know. Okay, it was, you know, the TDI. Okay, now here's the thing. There was a small, like, I would call it like a divergence type of thing. The TDI could have helped on this one as it was chopping around. The TDI was long gone. What I mean by that is the TDI was already in a sentiment of a downtrend. You see that, right? You see how it's going like this, and and this is chopping around. So this is also giving you a clue that this, you know, giving you, okay, so I have possibly a very strong directional bias to go short. You know, I see these over here. They never took it out. Okay. Pins to the upside, level 3 chop. You saw Euro Japan drop. You saw AJ drop. You saw GJ drop. You know UJ is coming. You know UJ is coming anytime soon. Right? All right. So that was UJ. It was a very difficult one. But if you caught it, good stuff. All right. Now, let's see. Let's look at the next one, guys. Euro Japan. this is okay. Now keep in mind, guys, what I'm saying in this little chat and this little box right here. Okay, keep in mind what I'm saying. Yes, I did say not to trade the blue box, but watch this. The dealer gave you a nice level 1 consolidation, right? Okay, so you know you're listening to me. You say, okay, Cash said not to trade this because, you know, this is the Asian range. We don't trade it. Okay, cool. No big deal, right? Okay, so ignore that error right there. That was wrong. So could have got in there after you saw the dealer not take out the HOD. What I mean by that is that once you saw this level consolidation right here, and you notice that price started kind of doing like this, and you notice how the water is above and the Mayo is above price. So that's giving you a hint. Okay, so it looks like these guys are gonna go short now. You know, they're gonna shift the zone. The HOD was not taken out. This looks like a nice level 1 consolidation. You know, okay, you miss it, cool. You miss it, you're indecisive. All right, it drops. All right, it drops level 2. Right now you're like, okay, yeah, this is definitely gonna keep dropping because I know my levels. This is level 2. You know, I know the blueberry. Yes, I know the blueberry is there. But remember, I've said that they do this to trick people to keep going long. I've said this plenty of times. They do this for a reason. They stop at these price points because they know people, retail traders do this crap, right? They do all this. I don't know how to be more straightforward, but they sell the bounces, they buy all that crap, all right? So this was level 2. So you saw, okay, so I know it's going to drop one more time, right? So I know Tristan got in right here, I think, somewhere around here, by the way. Good stuff, bro. So I think he held to like about the 80R low and he closed out, which is pretty cool. Pretty good stuff. Yeah, no problem, bro. It's pretty cool stuff right there. So level 2, right? You know this is going to keep dropping. Bam. As you expected. And then a little W right there. And then back in the range. Right? Back inside the range. Consolidate. Right? So this possibly, well, actually, I believe this is already the anchor. So if anything, guys, possibly a stop hunt high M formation of A top stop hunt, right? Safety trade, or if anything, they'll straight drop out right out of London. All right. Now let's see. But we have to wait and see for confirmation. Can they go up here again? Most likely, but that's on them if they want to release these guys that got trapped here. They got trapped all over here in this accumulation. You notice the black lines? That's my MM spread, my market maker spread from Sunday, all right? That's on them if they come over here. Now, however, if they do an M on the MN spread and they fail to take it out, you got them. You got them. Take it short, keep. All right? All right, now that's EJ. Now I'm gonna go over USD Chef. Now I didn't analyze that one, but where's USD Chief? USD Chief. All right. So guys, first of all, I need to. Okay, so I know. Okay, I know you guys were trying to short this. So can someone tell me why they were trying to short that? What or how about let me rephrase this. What did you see that made you believe short?
Level 3 consolidation with the pattern.
Okay, so you were thinking, well, I don't.
Standing, yeah.
Oh, okay. So you took that right there. So I don't blame you. I think Sile was trying to short, right? Sile, you were trying to short.
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Okay. Now, okay, I understand. Okay, let's see. So I do see this. Okay, so I think I see where you're coming from. So I see this 1, 2, and then this was 3 in hindsight. So this looked like a beautiful M. Now here's the thing. So remember I've told you that you have these moving averages to guide you always. Okay, so ignore the water because the trade can do this and then drop to the May and then possibly retrace and then keep pushing up. Okay, now ignore that. Now pay attention to the mustard and your ketchup. Pay attention to these. Remember, back in my basic videos, I've said that the trend still has energy as long as these moving averages don't break, right? Okay, so here you do see an M, right? You got your little fire crossing, your little fire arrow cross. But look at your TDI. Look at your TDI. It's not giving you, usually on the reversal, you see this, and then price comes in, right? False move beginning session. You see the TDI come out like this and like that, right? Kind of like on that GU trade that I showed you earlier. You see it kind of come out. Well, not price is not going to go over here, but somewhere around here, right? Okay, so not only that, but I don't see a HOD here to short. I don't see the HOD here to start off. Okay, so I understand here. Now, okay, you got your two candles in profit, your stop loss here. Okay, cool. Now, you saw this shift in the zone, this green railroad tracks right back in. Now you're thinking, holy crap, what's going on? Okay, let's just say you're entry king. You're an entry king like Julian. You got in right here at the tick. You got in right there. You saw this railroad tracks. You're in 2-pip profit. You start seeing this. Remember, I've said don't sit there like a moron and take your stop and let them take your stop loss out. All right. So if you see this little behavior, and this is not even okay. So now back to the HOD. There's no HOD here. The HOD was right here. Okay, I'm not understanding what did you try to short. All right, now I do see this. All right, you see this with the trend, right? That could have been a C-leg trade right there, a 50-50. Got your shark fin right and take it. All right. Okay, let's see. Got a question, I think. That's where oh, yeah, exactly. See? Yeah. I think I saw you, Deadpool. You entered with a lot, right? You entered with $1 lot right there and took it, right? Yeah, good stuff, bro. So, guys, I need you to understand the candlesticks that present themselves at at these extremities. My boy entered. Oh, okay. All right, Julian. I see you. I need you to understand that there are certain behavior candlesticks, which I've said in the videos before, right? When I first introduced myself to you guys, that there's gonna be certain behaviors at these levels. I don't know if I said this like 5 times, but that will indicate short or long. All right. My point is that I don't want you to freaking take every M or W that you see. All right. That's why you keep getting burned, because you keep thinking every M or W is a freaking reversal. And that's what I've been noticing with you guys lately. Okay. No, don't take it as an offense. I just want you to understand what I'm saying. If you want to cuss me out later, just feel free. But I want you to put this in your head and think about it. Okay. Like, what I'm saying is true. All right. Don't take every M or W. Okay. So just look at USD Chef. Okay. Okay. So you see an HOD right here. Okay. In this instance, it went at right here, but we know why this didn't pay out, because this is level 2. We're right. We're not looking for shorts right now. All right. And not only that, but this just crossed. This is giving you level 2. Okay. Or I don't know. Well, let's see. Let's check. Yeah, level 2 of the new week. All right. We're not looking to short. We're looking for the buys. All right. So you see this little consolidate. Oh, okay. So ignore the box. So, okay. Now let's look at this one. You see this one? Now this is a trade. All right. Now here, same thing, right? Out of the Asian box, right? Why they do this? Because people sell. And look, as soon as they caught all the sales and they triggered all the stops right here, they shifted the zone 1, 2, 3, 4, like 20 full candles in your favor right here, right? Because you know where you are in the cycle. All right. Same thing here. They shifted the zone. Now look what they're doing right now. Possibly do this and keep rising, right? Because there's no level 3 behavior has been seen. All right. Level 3 behavior, I've told you most of the time, it's a head and shoulders pattern. It's mostly always a head and shoulders pattern. Can it be a half a Batman? Yes. Half of Batman is like this. And then the other inverted half of Batman is whenever they come like this and then do this. But those are a little, you will notice it though. You'll see an outside structure pin out the LOD or something, and then you'll probably see this. And then you'll have a possible divergence on your TDI. All right. So don't short everything like this. All right, let's look at another example. Let's see. Let's look at Euro GBP. Oops. All right. So here's so this is another example. Okay. So MM spread right here. They vector out the box 1, 2. They held the level right here, and then they drop. And then this is the trade right here. Why? Because this is an uptrend. This is the trade, right? They held 1, 2, 3. Shark fin long. Shark fin long. TDI confirmed. Bam. You're up in profit big. Let's see. Is that not a fake? Yeah, it is. It is actually Deadpool. They present themselves also in the levels also. So whenever you see a W like that in a downtrend on level 2, you usually will fail and keep pushing down because this was a level 2. And I do say DNC on level 2 and level 1. So here, back to Euro GBP, right? 1, 2, 3, you're in right there. Right there, signal line crossed in, you're in beautiful profit, right? 1, 2, and then right there now, well, right, don't trade the box. I say this for a reason. Look at this. This is like a 130 pip drop right now. Just this is why you get out at the consolidation, at the session, before the session changeover. All right, pins to the upside. Your HOD was right here. This multi-session but right, don't trade the box for this certain reason. You're thinking, oh, I'm a hold because this and this and that. Sorry about your luck. Drop 100 pip drop. You're out. All right. Anybody have any questions on what I'm covering right now? Because I don't want to see the same mistakes again. Okay, so gold. Okay, so I guess everybody understood now. All right, cool. So this is I wouldn't even touch gold. So GU, I don't know what the hell they're doing, but I do know that they are picking up contracts. They have to correct the market because they cannot drop forever. All right. So everybody who got stuck here, now they're trapped. All right. Trying to find another pair that you guys were trying to trade. Was it Euro? No. Oh wait, I think it was. Yeah. What's up? What's up?
Can you look at AUD in the D?
AUD NZD?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Hold on. AUD NZD show. Oh man, this is ugly. Oh, let's see. AUD CAD. Okay. All right. I'll look at that, bro. Okay. Now, so what were you what were you suggesting? See the level 3 chop?
Yeah. That's what I'm thinking.
Definitely. So first of all, it looks like they're working the crosses. I'm not surprised if AU is dropping right now. This is definitely they're holding the level. If anything, I believe AU is dropping and NZD USD is dropping too. Euro NZD. dumped last night. Yeah, exactly, because of the euro was in it. Okay, so Sile, so to answer your question, all right, so man, this pair has been rising forever. So this was definitely should have been okay. Let's see. So this was your level 3. So this looks like your whole reset. So 1. Also, this is probably day 2. Let's see. So this would be possibly your level 2, right? They broke past the high, so now they're chopping right here. This is kind of kind of interesting though, Sheila, because I do notice a lot of pins to the upside.
Yeah.
They're holding the level for a reason. Okay, for this one, if anything, Sheila, I would wait for this to possibly start. Everything starting to line up for this, right? So I would wait for my TDI to start either doing what I showed you earlier, starting to fall, kind of like with UJ, right? It was starting to fall, or you would wait for the stop hunt out of London. This, right? If they do this, they stop hunt and they do an M or right in the shadow box or something like that, and the TDI is out, then I will take this for short.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, I know, because I was also thinking the same thing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, exactly. I would wait. Right. I've said that we wait for the stop hunts to happen because a lot of people get burned, especially in the Asian session, because they want to trade Asia. They feel like they're good enough to trade Asia. And GBP proved everyone wrong, right?
In a big way.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. Cash, can you explain your levels again? And what specifically, intraday, or are you talking about the MMAW? And so AC, let me look at AZ while he types that.
AC, thank you very much.
Okay, yeah, let's see. AUD cash. Man, I hate these cross pairs, but let me see. That's a chart window. Huh.
I think this is level 2, and we're looking at another level of drop.
Okay, so I do see where you're coming from. So I see this level 3 behavior. So I see 1. I do see this 2, possibly stop on high drop. Yeah, you're right, Julian. I would wait for the dealers to hit this. So you see the high right here. So if anything, I would wait for the stop hunt out of the Asian box 3 vectors. M with the HOD, take it, bro. Take it without hesitation. You know this is gonna drop right past this. You know it's gonna, because it is another level. It needs to break the low, which is this. So it'll break right past down here. All right. I do see 2 levels also. Let's see. Which video can I watch? Amir, I actually have I have all the videos. I put them in order. I went from basics from my day 1, day 2, and day 3. And then I went from I don't know, I think it was the news, and then I went from there. But all of those videos are I know it's one of them in there, like, trust me. And if you're skimming through them, let's see. So we're gonna, okay, yeah, don't worry, don't just, I know probably my videos are boring, but trust me, you're gonna learn this. Once you learn this, you're gonna be killing it. I promise you. Yeah, no problem. All right, so yeah, Julian. So all right, so yeah, I do see this. I do see obviously the correction, because this is a big ass drop, right? So I do expect this. If anything, right here, Julian, I would wait for this stop hunt. Can they drop out right out of the box like this? Yes, they can.
Should I
Now,
take it at the Mayo or
no,
wait, break out higher?
I would wait for it to in the stop hunt box, bro. The stop hunt box, right? They come out like at 2:30 a.m. So they would do this. If they do this on the HOD, Jillian, like this, what I'm demonstrating right now, you got them, bro. Because this is still a downtrend. This is a downtrend.
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah.
You got them, bro. You got them. So if you're waiting for this setup, bro, cool. Just wait on it. I promise you, if you wait, like I've told you, right? Patience is a key, is a virtue, bro, in this trading game. I promise.
You think that's gonna happen during London?
Gentlemen, it can. I can't predict exactly, but I would like it to do this.
Yeah, I mean, fuck, I ain't waiting all night.
Yeah, yeah. If it doesn't, okay. Now, if anything, Jillian, I will look for another pair, right? If you're unsure, I will look for I don't know.
USD CAD?
Yeah, something like that. Something like that. Any other pair? You like the cat pair or something?
No, no, no. I've been looking at this. I've been looking at it on the daily, and I see that it's gonna go. It's gonna go back. If you check out the daily, it's gonna. I see that it's going down to the bottom, and so
Oh, okay. I see what you mean.
you see what I'm saying. I see it going all the way down to that lower support. You
This
know,
right here.
yeah.
Okay, I see. I see where you're getting that. Okay. Yeah, and I do see that this has been dropping. Every subsecond swipe has been less and less. So I wouldn't be surprised if they do actually stop on high drop, Julian. So it looks good. It looks good.
I'll be waiting for that stop hunt.
Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay, I think someone else. Let's see. Not entry the weekly cycle. You explain where on level 2 or something like that.